Hey, what's going on, builders? Today on this episode I'm going to be working on the truck's exhaust. In the last episode I had cut off the exhaust and actually unbolted it right after the catalytic converters. Exhaust won't be anything fancy. It'll be a couple straights, a couple 45s, and then these glass packs I picked up off of Amazon. All these items I pulled off of Amazon, so I'll leave a couple links in the description with part numbers just for you to look at, I guess, unless you're doing the same thing and you like the way it sounds. H-pipe off. I'm going to go ahead and start preparing the edges here, get it down to bare metal. Alright, well, typical fashion that we do here in the garage at RCX Builds It. I make a huge mess doing one job. Just clutter up my entire work area. So I'm going to start cleaning up. And in the next episode, I'm going to be hitting up this little gas tank right here. It's going to cover the gas fill neck. I've got a pretty cool idea on how to make that work. But I'm going to clean up in here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.